The mongoose has spotted the cobra. 2 hunters. 1 battlefield. Versus poison. Life or death. But only if it lands a bite.
Going in, he's really going in.
A deadly game of hide and strike begins.
Wins again.
Nature never crowns by skill, reflex, and courage. The mongoose holds firm.
Whoa, that was close. Look at the speed. He's going in. Oh, there it is.
Once again, the fearless hunter triumphs. In the wild, even the mighty must fall.